Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on a finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway. We are driving from Albion Heights towards the Suncoast Adventure Park, and this section of the highway is finished. It's actually going to be 4 lanes, but these 2 lanes are finished, so they are allowing persons to use it while they work on the other 2 lanes. This section of the road, the highway runs along the existing roadway. So they've built these 2 lanes, and then to the left is the old road, or the main road that was there before. So they're upgrading that main road to 2 lanes, a highway quality road, and then those 2 lanes plus these will make 4 lanes, and this is what the highway will look like. It's going to be 4 lanes with dual carriageway with a concrete barricade running from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge for this section. Okay, now this just looks like a very bad idea. The truck is actually on the main road. Okay. So this will give you an excellent idea of what the highway is going to look like when it's finished. Remember, from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge, 4 lanes, dual carriageway, meaning it's going to have a concrete barricade in the middle. So it's going to be like this all the way to Harborview. In some points, the highway runs along the existing roadway. At some points, the highway runs along a new alignment, meaning a new road was built. It no longer runs along the roadway. So coming up straight ahead now is the Suncoast Adventure Park. So from the Suncoast Adventure Park to 11 miles in Bull Bay, a new road was built which is 2 kilometers long. It's not open to the public yet, so we can't drive on it, so we're going to go on the existing main road. So you see where the concrete barricade ends here. It lines up to the one straight ahead, and where those 2 trucks are straight ahead, that's where the highway is going to go. But it's still under construction, so it's not open to the public. But we'll show you when we're driving. So to the left here now is where the highway will join the road that we just came off of. And from here all the way back to 11 miles Bull Bay, a new road will be built. And then from 11 miles Bull Bay back to Harborview, the highway runs along the existing roadway, and that roadway is going to be upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes of highway quality road with the concrete barricade. And that will be section 1A of the highway running from the Yallow's Bridge to the Harborview Bridge.